Hello ladies, it is your girl Sassy Savvy Sister and I am here to do another eyeshadow tutorial with you. And it's going to be a little different because I am doing a voiceover. So I already prepped my face, I got my foundation, blush, and I even did my eyebrows. So the palette of the day is going to be the Sahara Sunset. I love this eyeshadow palette. It is, I think, my favorite one from Young Living. The reds and the brown and that gold. Ooh. So I'm going to start off with Drift. It is a matte brown. I'm going to pick it up on my fluffy brush from the Savvy brush kit. And here I'm going to dust off a little bit because I don't want too much on my brush for the very first application. I'm going to go back and forth like a windshield wiper, and then I'm going to do small circular motions, and my brush is very, very light. I'm trying to get rid of that harsh line and get a faded look. I'm going to pick up some more Drift and of course dust it off. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to keep repeating this. I want to build up that brown, but I don't want it to be too choppy or have a harsh line, so I'm just going to keep blending it out until I have a faded look. So here I did both of my eyes and I got that brown built up to where I like it. Of course I blended that harsh line. So I'm going to dust off my brush a little bit, and now I'm going to pick up Elite. That is that gorgeous red, and of course dust off some of that beautiful pigment. And as you can see, it is super pigmented, so you want to be careful and very light brush, go back and forth just like how I did with the brown, and blend, blend, blend. Alright, so I'm going to pick up a VIP. That is that gorgeous gold shimmery color. I'm actually looking for my brush. I can't find it. Hold on. Alright, so this is the eyeshadow brush from the Savvy brush kit. I'm going to pick up the VIP, and what I'm going to do is actually dust it off, pick it up again, dust it off, so I can really get those pigments on that brush. Look at that. That is so gorgeous. So I wanted to show you how you can actually apply it using your eyeshadow brush, which gives it a more simple, subtle look. It's not too bold, but this is what I like to do. With my ring finger, I'm going to go back to the VIP, pick it up, and look at those pigments. So as you can see, it applies way better with your finger. I don't know what it is with the eyeshadow in your finger, it just applies so much better. So I'm going to go back and take my fluffy brush and just go where the crease line is. I don't want to get that shimmer over that red. I really want to make sure that the red is popping. So I'm just going to tap, make sure that I'm not taking too much of the shimmer, but also I want that red to pop out, if that makes sense. Taking my eyeshadow brush again, I'm going to go back to the palette and pick up Cloud 9. That is that gorgeous white color. And all I'm going to do is apply it on my eyebrow bone, just so I can give it some dimension. Alright, so it is time for my eyeliner, and here I have the Jet Setter from the Savvy Minerals. This is super black and it is a powder, so you guys have to be careful. But I love it because you can use it in so many ways. I even use it for my eyebrows because I have dark hair. So I have my eyeliner brush. I have an angled and a pointed side to it, which is so convenient. So I'm going to pick up some of that Jet Setter and place it in my cap. So I'm going to take my misting spray and I'm going to give my cap 2 spritzes just so I can get it wet. And I'm just going to start mixing it until I get the right consistency that I like. Alright, so I'm going to take my eyeliner and I'm going to work from the outer corner going inward. And I'm just gonna fast forward, but if you guys want to see me do my eyeliner, I do have a previous video you can check out. So here are what my eyes look like. And next I'm gonna take my eyelash curlers and curl my lashes, get them ready for the mascara. Alright, so it's time for the mascara, and as you can see, I'm actually taking the excess product off of my brush, and I noticed that when I do this, my lashes don't clump up and I don't get those spider legs, so I can really concentrate on my lashes because I do have blonde tips, and this way I can really concentrate and not have to worry about getting those chunks, especially on the tips of my lashes, which is so annoying. The best thing about doing this way is I can actually go back, pick up some extra product on my brush, just like how you see, and I can actually build up my lashes without having to worry about all that clumping and the spider legs. Here it is, you guys, the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I absolutely love this look for fall. So if you have any questions, please leave a comment down below. I always love hearing from you guys. And if you want to see a different look, please let me know. Till my next video, I love you all. God bless you. Have a beautiful and blessed day, and I'll see you next time.